Disclaimer. Trading and investing in stocks, options, or equities involve risk and are not suitable for all investors. The information in this video provided solely for informational and general education. Any strategies discussed, including examples which use actual securities and prices, are strictly for educational and illustrative purposes. You should consult your advisor/broker about any consequences prior to making any investment decision. No statement within this presentation, or any other presentation made by trade advisor, should be construed as a recommendation to buy or sell a security or provide any investment advice. Prior to buying or selling stocks, options, or equities, a person must read copies of all the risks and disclosures which can be obtained by contacting your broker. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel.